Hi guys, I'm Kiki and today I'm going to show you how I prep my breakfast for the week. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that I like to have my oatmeal. I do have oatmeal every day because it's easy, it's quick, and it's really delicious and it keeps me full for hours. You don't have to have oatmeal every day, but I like to, so I'm going to show you 3 different ways I like to have it. Okay guys, so the oatmeal I like is actually steel cut oats. I like the flavor better and it's really filling. So I just cook a huge batch for the week in water and then I keep it in the fridge and then every morning I can just grab some. So I've already heated this up and I like to top it with Trader Joe's coconut creamer because this one is fat-free. And I do like mine a little sweet, and I just discovered these flavored stevias at the health food store and I am loving them. So my current favorite is this coconut one. So I just add a few drops. And you can buy them at any health food store or on Amazon, and I'll put some links in the description so you can pick them up or order them. So yeah, so I just put in the coconut drops and mix that up, and then I like to add banana and strawberries, blueberries, and the mangoes are in season right now and they're so good in this coconut oatmeal. And there's no set amount of how much you should eat because I get that question a lot. It's like, well, how much are you allowed to eat? And guys, this is whole foods, plant-based eating. So you can eat until you're satisfied because when you're eating whole foods, you're not gonna get too much in. So you just eat until you're full. If this isn't enough, then go back for seconds. Okay, so for this second bowl of oatmeal, I have heated up the oats again. And I add my Trader Joe's coconut creamer. And this, guys, this one is so good. Okay, the Better Stevia again. They have English toffee. It is so good. So I like to just put that on. A little bit goes a long way and mix it in. It gives it such a delicious flavor. Then I like to add some banana, some strawberries, and then I love this powdered peanut butter. It has had 87% of the fat removed, so it's really low in fat. It's a great way to still have nut butters and avoid all the excess fat and calories, and you just add water and it turns into creamy peanut butter. And these doctors that I follow explain how starch can't get into your cells when you have too much fat because fat blocks your cells. And what you want is that starch to get in so that you can heal and get healthy and lose weight. So then I just put it in a bag and snip the end off to make it pretty. And I squeeze a little bit of this peanut butter on. And then at the health food store, I found these dairy-free mini chocolate chips. So I just give that a light sprinkle. And there you have it, this English toffee, peanut butter, and chocolate oatmeal. So for this third oatmeal, I like to add a little bit of this cocoa powder. And I just discovered you can get fat-free cocoa powder at Whole Foods. So once I'm done with this ginormous bag, I will do that because I gotta stay on budget. So I add the coconut creamer to the oatmeal and cocoa powder. So this one's gonna be a chocolate peanut butter one. And these Better Stevias that I am obsessed with also make a chocolate stevia, which would be fantastic in here, but I haven't ordered that one yet. So I think that's the next one I'm gonna try. And you can sweeten this with a little brown sugar or maple syrup. I just like to stay as added sugar free as possible. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this toffee one. But again, you can use a little brown sugar or maple syrup. And then I just put in bananas, some berries, And then a nice spoonful of peanut butter. And that is another really yummy way to have oatmeal in the morning. Okay guys, so that's the 3 easy ways that I like to eat oatmeal during the week. They're so tasty and they keep me full for hours. I'm going to link the butter stevias and the powdered peanut butter in the description box for you guys, so you have that as well. Remember to hit subscribe and like if you like this video. I'm going to continue to document how I lost 40 pounds in 11 months and what I eat in a day and what I ate to transition as well. You guys can find me on Instagram at Plantiful Kiki and Facebook at Plantiful Kiki as well. Thanks guys.